up, Team Curlew? We are on our way to the shop. We're going to show you guys where we're going today. We're going to the shop, grocery shopping, and then later on today, I'm going to work. Say hey, you guys.
Hey.
What's up? We out here, you know what I'm talking about?
And as you guys can see, I cut their hair still. Look, it's going good. I did that, yes.
Smooth like a baby's skin.
We are on our way now. Team Curlew, we are on our way to the shop. As I told y'all, it's still kind of, snowy out here. The roads are kind of good today. So we're going to go out and go to the shop. Oh, stop it right quick.
Terrence, what miss?
Oh, babe, go ahead and check the mailbox. Go ahead and check the mailbox. Let me grab the key.
We're gonna make a little stop at our mailbox first. You know what I'm saying? That is it. On our way to the store. Oh my, this is the highway right there. Oh, look at the water splashing like a dashing. Yep, that's the way to Ben's Mark. So you can see here in this place where we at, it's beautiful out there. The snow's so pretty on the ground, give the place a different type of looks. As a Jamaican into this foreign country right here, it just look amazing to me. I'm talking about the trees are like different colors, you know what I'm saying? Right in here, we just reached a stoplight. It's on red, so we gotta pull up right here. Queen K over here, Young T right there. Also waiting for our other two sons to come up here, so it's gonna be a whole big family, get together. All my sons, they like chickens and stuff, so we gotta have a lot of drumsticks for them. On the way to the shop. Wow, I just love to see this place. It's so pretty in this phone. This phone is like a real high-tech camera that do the movies and stuff, man. I just love it. Yep. So as you can see, we're at the intersection to turn to go over where the shop at. You know what I'm saying? So I'll see you in a minute. Team Curlew, we out. As we about to approach our store right now. We're back right now, so we're just gonna invite y'all in so y'all can see what we've been doing for the past couple of weeks, you know what I'm saying? So this is the store. We don't really finish as yet packing out stuff. We got a lot of stuff in the storeroom. Sealer, so we've been just packing out a few stuff here that we have, you know what I'm saying? Get a little TV on the wall so we can put up our cameras, even if we're at work or somebody's working in the store, we can stay anywhere we at, Jamaica or whatever, and see what's going on in our place. So this is right here we got a shoe stand and stuff over there. You know what I'm saying? We got a nice amount of stuff right here. We got the shoe stand with the ladies' purse. And then we got our register machines right here. You know what I'm saying? Yep. Decent, nice. And it's a touch screen. It's not like the one that you use like a computer, like, the first time stuff. You know what I mean?
We still got boxes and stuff in here, and we still getting things together. So that's just some stuff that we had put up, green wall. It's still giving two colors, but we're going to get that fixed and everything. So it's just a little stuff that we giving. Yeah, so we just taking y'all on to the shop. We're going to put up some more stuff and, get things together. What's up, Team Curlew? as my husband mentioned, we are here at the shop getting things together. I'm adding stuff to the computer. If Bae, you want to go ahead and come around, and I can go ahead and show them a quick thing on the computer. I don't want to put anything that the float of the till. I'll just put $10 open till. Everything open, ain't nothing in here as of yet, but this is like the clothing things that we have on our system. We could just tap, 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 and you know, things will come up. Right now is a minimum of a little things. I still have to add a couple things to the system, but we definitely getting it done because we are opening March 31st, 2023. So we definitely doing up some finishing touches today before I go to work and before I go home and cook. So we'll be out in a minute. We'll be back. What's up, Team Curlew? I'm in the store. I actually put up some more stuff, but I'm on the way out because I do have to cook dinner for my family and also get ready for work tonight. So I definitely will see you guys soon, and hopefully we'll be able to get the grand opening video for you guys, and we'll be back.